Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to see the next type of questions in your alphanumeric series. Okay? Study it carefully and answer the questions that follow. In this type, they given the set of numbers, only the number series. Okay, now your question is, how many such threes are there in the above arrangement, each of which is immediately preceded by a perfect square? How many perfect squares are there? So these are the one digit number. So obviously the numbers that is square is 2 square, 4, 3 square, 9. Either 4 or 9. So in this series we have only two options, either 4 or 9. This is the perfect square. So whenever you can count the 3, that 3 should be preceded by either 4 or 9. So you can fix in your mind. So you want to count 43. 43 is available. Afterwards 93. 93 is available. After that 43. Where is 43? 43 is available. So is there any pairs? Here 93. So totally 4 pairs. So don't get confused. If you are looking 3, the 3 is preceded with perfect square. The perfect square is either 4 or that is 9. It is taking too much of time. So once you fix the condition. So what is the condition here? The 3 should be immediately preceded by a perfect square. We have only two options because the number range is 0 to 9 only. So from 0 to 9 means there are two numbers, only the perfect square, 2 square and 3 square. If you want to count 3 means either 43 or 93. Okay, answer for this question is 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 pairs available. That is 4 3s are available. Okay, and your next question. Study it carefully and answer the questions that follow. Okay, so from 84, 83, 85 in between, certain numbers are there in this series. Now your question is, how many 3s are there in the given number series? Means we can easily count how many numbers are there. But one condition is given here. What is that condition? Means each of which is immediately followed by 8. The number should be followed by 8. The 3 must be followed by 8. So if you count the 3 means you can count like this, 38, 38. Whereas 38 is available. Now 38 is available. 38, 38, 38. There are 3 pairs. So option for this question is A. Okay. In this video, we are counting the numbers which is respective to the preceded value as well as followed value. Okay. Thank you for watching.